This video highlights the process in digital assessment typing test. Please note, the screens or images shown here are for representation purpose only. The actual screens or images may vary. The typing test is leveraged by the customers to check on the accuracy of the candidates with reference to typing skills. The typing test in digital assessment provides the candidates similar experience that they get from the actual typewriting machine. The candidate will be able to see text displayed in a box and is asked to type the same text in an empty box available below the displayed text. Let us understand the login process for digital assessment typing test. In the system, the login space will be pre-populated with roll numbers. Enter your password separately using the keyboard, or virtual keyboard. Check if the keyboard layout selection bar is available on the screen. If not, candidate should inform the invigilator. Please note, the default keyboard layout is English US. Now, to change the layout for typing in English language, click English in the keyboard layout selection bar. All the available layout options will be displayed. Select the required layout from the list, and the layout will be ready for use. However, candidate will be tested as per the layout mentioned in the application form. Similarly, to change the layout for typing in Hindi language, click Hindi on the keyboard layout selection bar. The available list of layouts will be displayed. Select the required layout option based on assessment requirement. The layout will then be ready for use. However, candidate will be tested as per the layout mentioned in the application form. After entering your login credentials, please check that your selected keyboard layout is also displayed here in the keyboard layout bar. Then click Sign In to log in. Your mock typing test will now begin. This will be followed by a break before the actual test. In the typing test, you will be typing in the empty box, by looking at the master text from the above box. The time left for the test is displayed here on the candidate console. You can use backspace key, and arrow keys to modify the typed text, if required. After you are done with the typing, click Submit. Please note, the Submit button will be activated only after the entire duration of the exam is completed, and not before that. All the system-related features will be same in Hindi typing test also. With this we complete our video on digital assessment typing test. Wish you all the very best.